Itong mga player na inidulo mo na were rivals on the court. So, Abid Gidabin and Mon Fernandez.
Kita ko, Chris Pat Toyota, no, ang game. So, grabe yung laban nila, the physicality is there. Makita mo yung pag-dunk yung isa, dunk din si Papa Mon. Tapos makita mo, very identical. Nakikita mo talaga na hanggang college pa sila, ganun ang laban.
Okay, kasi history lesson to para sa mga millennials na nanonood, no? Those two teams did not like each other, so natural lamang. And they were the two best players for that position.
Yes, correct.
No, when you were growing. And then actually, later on, they would be traded for each other. Lumang lang si Mon Fernandez in the number of MVP trophies. But I think in your eye, as a legend, mahirap mamili dun sa dalawa.
Yes, mahirap. Kasi very slight advantage. Kasi pareho silang go-to guy. They can score anytime. They have a good touch. Pwede silang, kahit nga ngayon, pwede silang mag-stretch forward because of yung skill. Pareho silang smart. So, yun ang comparison ko doon sa dalawa.
Okay.